Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing for a straightforward diagnostic. Power down the PS5 and unplug it for 60 seconds to clear transient errors. Once done, remove the disc and visually inspect it for scratches, dust, or fingerprints. Clean from the center outward with a soft microfiber cloth. Make sure the console firmware is up to date before testing again. Updates often fix drive recognition. If you haven't already, reboot the console after the update and try the disk again to see whether the error persists. Now you perform deeper, targeted actions. Gently blow compressed air in short bursts into the disk slot while the PS5 is powered off to dislodge dust. Never insert objects into the slot. Once done, test with 2 different known good disks to determine whether the issue is the disk or the drive. If other disks read, the original disk is likely damaged. If none read, reset console settings next to rule out software conflicts. Be careful not to initialize or erase data until you've tested hardware first. To finish, boot the PS5 into safe mode and choose Rebuild Database. This repairs index issues that make disks appear unreadable and is low risk to your installed games. If the drive still fails after rebuilding and testing multiple disks, contact PlayStation support or a certified repair center. Hardware parts may need replacement. One key troubleshooting tip: write down any error codes, lights, or slot noises. Those details speed diagnosis and help support determine whether you need a repair, replacement drive, or a warranty claim.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.